So here they are saying, welcome to the Bees for Life exhibition. And then you have some of the things that you get from beekeeping. You get the hair treatment, you get the wax, you get the soaps, you get the lip balms, propolis, and where can you find the major beekeeping communities in Kenya? You'll find them in Pokot, West Pokot, and Baringo County. You'll also get to find them in Tugen, Baringo County, Yako, Laikipia County, Kamba in Mwingi, and then the Borana, Marsabit, and Isiolo County. So this is where they do beekeeping farming. So this is how the bee farm looks like. This is just an exhibition of how a bee farm looks like. You can see even above there, you still see the bees. Yeah, that's how they look like. And then inside here, okay, it says my battery is low, so that's why I'm not able to light anything. It's a traditional Ogiek family hat display. Inside is an Ogiek elder in conversation with his guests. Hi guys, so I'm heading to the snack park. I've overused my microphone until right now. I just have to use my own sound. So right here I'm heading to the snack park. I get to show, though I am not really I do not have the courage to show, I don't usually look at the snakes, but because I'm here, I just have to do whatever I had to do, because I came here to show you guys what Nairobi National Museum is all about. So I'll just take courage and get to show you everything that you need to see about this place. So over here, there's a restaurant inside the Nairobi National Park where you can get to have your meals and all that. What's this? Is this a kifaru? So that's the fees, what you need to pay over here. So here I am already inside the snake park, and here, first thing I see over here, whoa, these are reptiles. I told you I do not have the courage to see this, but I just have to do it. And then you can see like there are snakes over there. These are poisonous snakes. I don't know if you're able to see how they are climbing. This, I'm only doing it because of you guys, but if you ask me, I'm not used to this. An aquarium, yeah, these are some of the aquariums, and these are live fish. They have the fish over here. About me, guys, I'm not so good with reptiles. I don't like watching or seeing reptiles. So here I just had to try, because I could here you're new in Nairobi and you do not know where to go, kindly you can come and visit the Nairobi National Park, because it offers you what you have just seen. So that next time you're here in Nairobi, you can just come and watch around here, because they have a lot of amazing things. It's only that I came here late. Plants that are found in East African countries, especially Kenya. This is Lipia. I know this plant because I usually see it anytime I visit my homeland, Luya land. And you can see here they have written here Sula Sula, found in Luya. Yeah, and also this one is lantana too. I usually see it. Curse of India in English, okay. But this one I know it as a lantana. It smells so good. And then we have this one. A very quick tour. I will not be able to name all these things, like to mention all these things. Just take a quick tour of the plants, because it is already late, and I feel like it kind of wants to rain. Oh, so I can see there are people. Who are moving on this side. Like a Nairobi National Museum, it has so many things to offer. Although I cannot go about this side, I'm just trying to follow up people. I'm so afraid of where. I'll just try to go a little bit over there. Oh my goodness, where am I going? It's it looks terrible, but I can see there are people inside this place. So that means this is like it's a nature trail actually. Yeah, you can see this is where I am right now, trying to go down. And in case you don't know, we are still inside the Nairobi National Park. Okay, I used a wrong route. Let me go back to this other side. Yo! It's actually kind of scary, but I just have to do it. Yeah, it's kind of scary, but I'll do it, and I'm all alone, you can imagine. So let's walk around this place and get to see what this place offers. Nature. Yeah, now this is nature for you, and we are still in the Nairobi National Park, and this is what it offers. Feel like I'm inside the jungle. I'm following up people. I don't know. Trying to go too far. So scared. So scared, guys. So scary. Whoa. Okay, let's get to see what's inside there. Oh. Oh la la. Okay, see what's inside. Should we go down? Although I don't know where, like which route to follow. Okay, let's try and see. This place looks so scary. You need to have someone to come with around here so that you won't get scared from the trees. Look at these roots. Scary, but we did it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah, for those who have been watching this from the start to the end, thank you so much for watching. I'm standing in the middle of a forest inside the Nairobi National Museum. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and kindly comment on where you would like me to show you next on our next video. It's been a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.